Brr. Winter is almost here. My tree hollow is getting so cold.
This design uses dry pine leaves and wood. It will keep Pip warm all winter, Coco.
Perfect. I must finish it before the first snow.
Hey, Coco. Do you want to collect acorns with me?
Not today, Pip. I have to do some chores.
He's always busy lately. Did I do something wrong? He didn't even look at me today. I guess we are not best friends anymore.
Ouch! A splinter. That hurts! But I can't stop. Pip's house must be warm. It's finally done. Time to show him. Pip, come down. I have something to show you.
What is it, Coco? You haven't spoken to me in days.
Close your eyes, Pip. Just trust me.
Open them now! Coco, you're on your paws. Did you build this all by yourself? For me? I thought you didn't want to be my friend anymore. I'm so sorry.
I was just building your new home. I will always be your friend, Pip.
To friendship and warm winter days.
Cheers!